In front of me is Apple iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to shut down the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then let's open General, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice Shutdown icon. Just mark it, then slide to power off, and that's it. Your device is shut down right now, and whenever you would like to turn it on again, just tap on your home button right here, wait a couple of seconds, and now it will be turned on. Just wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, just swipe up to unlock, enter your home screen password, and that's it. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.